Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Astrophoto Mode on the Samsung S25. Okay, so we need to open up the camera app. Once we are here, we need to scroll down into the right side and click on More, and now click on the Expert RAW. Now we have that mode, and to enable the Astrophoto Mode we need to click on that icon on the right side, right in here. And now the Astrophoto Mode is the third icon from the left side, and it's basically the constellation. And in here we can select the capture time. It can be short, medium, and long. And in here, if you click on the information button, you can see how to use it and what this option provides. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.